Hi, thank you for tuning into this training on automated lead funnel. And it's really designed to capture leads and qualify them for you and build a mailing list. It's also designed to help build a relationship. It makes an introduction for you, and it helps people to know, like, and trust you. And after all, that is the goal. So the first block we've got here, and we've got 8 of them here, and it's a very simple funnel I want to add. It's not complex at all. It does take some work to put it together, and you're going to want to stay to the end of this training because I'm going to show you a free platform to build your funnel on. So the first block we've got here is going to be our lead magnet. And what the lead magnet does is it creates interest. It provides a solution to a problem, and it really is the introduction for you for your ideal customer to begin to build trust and to get them to like you and to get to know you. The next step we have in this process or in this funnel is the squeeze page or the landing page. And this page here, the squeeze page, is designed to get you a yes or a no. And what's nice about this is that with any business where you're selling something, you don't have to hear no. In network marketing, that's one of the biggest downers I think anybody can experience is hearing no. You never hear it. You never even see those people. The only people that you're going to really be working with are the people that say, yes, I want my free thing. I want you to solve my problem, and I want to get to know you. So this is the very beginning. Then we have a pop-up. And I'm going to explain how this works and the importance of it. But this is where you collect your email. And the neat thing about this is when a person gets to this place of using this pop-up where they provide this information, they've already demonstrated some commitment. And then after they give you their email and their name, they're taken to a thank you page. And the purpose of this page is to provide instructions and to go, which guides them to go and validate or their email. So you want to verify their email. So they're going to have to verify their email. I always do double opt-in because I don't want people, spamming my email list, and I don't want people's names getting put on there so I get accused of spam. So I really want to verify that this person ordered this free thing that I'm giving away over here. And then I also include an offer in my thank you page. So I'm either going to collect an email or I'm going to provide some instruction, but I'm always going to provide an offer. The next thing in this in our funnel is a bonus training, and that's what you're looking at today. And if you click the link and got here from the lead magnet that you downloaded, then you are experiencing the free training, or the bonus training I should say. And this is just a link that's in the lead magnet. There's no opt-in, and it's there to just go and consume it. And your bonus training always adds to your lead magnet. It takes your ideal customer to the next level. It provides a little more information. And then the next thing we have here is our email series. And this is also very important, and we're not going to get into email series too much, but we're going to it's a big part of the funnel. And what it does is you have your introductory email. This is supposed to be an envelope, and this is where they're going to get the URL of their free thing, and then they continue to get other email through the series, and this is where you provide value. You provide offers, and you continue to build a relationship with your ideal customer, and they get to know, like, and trust you. And then after they verify their email address, then you take them to a download page. And this page here is where the lead magnet URL is. You might have other instructions, housekeeping type of things, and it's a good place to guide them to the next step to take. And you want to provide an offer. Always provide an offer. And then this is all done through a free funnel app, which I will show you at the end of the video. And it is really cool. Alright, so there is the funnel in theory. So the purpose of a funnel is, there's a lot of purposes. And the thing about a funnel is that it's important to realize is that it's a process. And you take your ideal customer through this process to a desired end. And so we got a lot of things we want to have happen here. We want to get their name and email. We want to introduce ourselves. We want them to get to know us. And we want to get we want them to get to know, like, and trust us. And then we're also providing a solution to a problem. And so we've got all this stuff going on in this funnel. And the thing that's interesting about it is that while I say it's a process, it is exactly that. It's a process of qualifying our leads, because we really want to just work with our ideal customer. And so with a funnel, we've got different stages, different layers, different parts of the process. And so I like to break it down like this. And so we've got leads coming in here. Could be organic traffic, it could be video, it could be our blog, it could be paid traffic. But we've got our ideal customer, or our lead that we think is our ideal customer, coming in here. And this is where we start. And we're offering them our lead magnet, and they tell us yes or no. So if they tell us no, they go away. If they tell us yes, they come to the next level into the process. And so this could be the bonus training. This could be something in the lead magnet that guides them further into the process. And the neat thing about it is you get to determine what that is. But the more they get into the process and the more that they work with you, you're going to have more people saying no. And that's okay, because we want to get rid of the people that tell us no, and we want to keep the people that say yes in the funnel. And when we get down here into the bottom part of the funnel, this is our client base. Our ideal customer is down there. They've now been qualified through the process. They've said yes to you all the way through, and so now we have a group of people who we would consider our ideal customer. And if you're working on doing affiliate marketing, or you're trying to market through your email list, these are the people you want to be sending an email to. So that's the purpose of the funnel, is it's to introduce yourself, to take people through a process, to eliminate all the people that would say no, and to work with a group of people that are saying yes. And the cool thing about it is you don't have to worry about listening to all those no's and all the rejection. The funnel does it for you, and that's the most beautiful part of the automation. So let's break down each one of these components that I talked about, and we'll start with the lead magnet. Whoops, I always forget to take the square off. And we're going to start with our lead magnet. And the neat thing about it is that the lead magnet can be a video, it can be a PDF, and underneath the PDF it can be a cheat sheet, it can be a list, and it can be an ebook. Your video can be various things too. It can be a training series, it can be the same thing you'd put in a PDF, only in a video form. Now the thing to keep in mind with your lead magnet is that you want to keep it short and simple. You want to keep it easy to consume. And you want to identify one problem and one solution. And one of the things that I talk about a lot is a minimum effective dose. And what that means is when we're creating our lead magnet, we don't want to give them everything. We don't need to write a novel or operation manual. We want to keep it really simple and give them the solution to one problem, and we want to keep it short and simple and easy to consume. So we don't want to give them more information that's going to overwhelm them ultimately. So when we're putting together our lead magnet, there's really no right or wrong way, but we just want to make sure that it's very deliverable, it's easy to consume, and it does what it's intended to do. So once we've got that done, then we also, when we back up, we need to put it somewhere where it can be delivered. So this can be our Google Drive, and that's free. And we can do Dropbox is a good way, but that's not always free. Usually you got a little bit of space you use up and then they want you to subscribe, but it's not expensive. So we got our Dropbox, but we just need somewhere where we can store this and give people a URL or a link to download their lead magnet. So once we've got that done, we'll go to the next step, and that's going to be our squeeze page. And our squeeze page is designed to do just what it implies. It's designed to, or intended to push out or eliminate all the no's. So we don't have to hear them. We don't even need to see them. We don't need to even communicate with them. And so when we're putting this together, we want to keep it very simple. Again, we don't want it complex. We don't want to include a bunch of information. And the way I like to do it is I like to put a headline and a subheadline. And then I put one button here. And this button that says something like, give me my freebie. And you can personalize it, but I don't use things like click here, download here, or anything like that. I really want to direct it to my ideal customer. So the headline, though, is important. So we're not going to use a headline or create a headline that uses our product name or our freebie name. What we want to put in that headline is a benefit. And in the same headline, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put a benefit. Generate leads on autopilot. Generate qualified leads. Attract your ideal customer. Things like that. Things that are going to demonstrate a benefit. People don't care the fancy name that we've given our lead magnet. They don't care about titles. They want to know what's in it for them. So the next thing we do after we get that is once they push this give me button, I call it a give me button, it pushes them to a pop-up. And so I'm going to do that here on the same page. And so here's our pop-up. And the pop-up takes place right over the squeeze page. And in the pop-up, we keep it very simple. We have a headline that's a benefit. We have our subheadline that's also a benefit. Now we're not going to copy and paste the same ones we have over here. We're going to give them more headlines, more benefits. And then we have a box here for a name and one for our email. The reason I like to do this is because when we've got this give me button, give me my free thing, give me the solution to my problem, they click on that, there's the micro commitment. Then the pop-up shows up, and it's got 2 additional benefits on there that invites them to reconsider if they're thinking about not putting their name and email in there, they reconsider it at that time. And once we get their name and email, then it goes to the next step. But this is kind of a 2-stage squeeze page, if you will. And it's important to me to get the micro commitment. And keep in mind, this is an automated funnel, or it's to automate our lead generating process. So the whole step of the way, I want to qualify my leads. So the next step we have here is the thank you page. Oops. And this is where they go immediately after they push the button, after they've given you their name and email. And they go to this page. And I like to put a video in here. It kind of directs them to do what I'm asking them to do. And what I want to do with the thank you page is I want to provide instruction. I just forgot how to spell. Excuse me. And what I want them to do here is I want them to verify their email. And then I also want to tell them a little bit about what to expect, what the next steps are. And remember, we're beginning our relationship, so they're beginning to get to know you, and this is all part of liking and trusting. And then I want to provide an invitation or a call to action. And actually, everything on this page is an invitation or a call to action. And the invitation is to work with me. So we'll have a little button down here with a URL that will invite them to go to a page to learn about the business I'm working with. So I'm going to always provide some invitation to work with me. And then after that, the next step is the bonus training. And if you're watching this video right now from the lead magnet, you are watching the bonus training. So the bonus training, is just the same material, or not the same material, but the same topic as your lead magnet. And it's designed to take them to the next level. So you're already providing training right off the bat. So it takes your customer to the next level. and it provides additional information. Again, we want to keep this simple, minimum effective dose, but we also want to continue to teach. So we want to give it in bite-sized pieces. And so we provide that bonus training after they've gotten their free lead magnet. So the next step we have is our email series. So when they put their name in the pop-up and they when they put their name in the pop-up, here we got our headlines, and we got our email, and then we hit the send button. Then they will get an email I don't know how I did that. All right. Anyway, they'll get an email directly after that. And this is the email that they will verify their email. And in that, once they do that, then they will get another email that has a link to a thank you page. And we will have a series of emails going out for days and weeks that will communicate information, training, and have call to actions to join you or to sell a product. So we always want to provide an opportunity for people to work with us in the network marketing field. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you always want to provide an opportunity for people to purchase something. So it's never, there's nothing wrong with ever asking for the sale every step of the way. You're not badgering them, you're not focusing purely on the sale. What you're doing is you're providing information and value and problem solutions all throughout the process. So there's a lot more to the email series than this, but this is the 30,000 foot view. So you got your opt-in or your pop-up. They get a verification email. From there they get another email that'll have the URL to a thank you page or a download page. And I like to do everything with pages. And then ongoing, you're going to have additional email going out. All right, then the next thing we have here is the download page that I mentioned. And I like this is going to have the link for your lead magnet. You're going to maybe have a welcome video. I like using video. And you're going to have an offer to work with me. And so there's the 7 of the 8 components. And so you have now that you've got all this together, you've got to have some place to build it. And that's what I want to show you next. But basically, when we're talking about doing building a funnel, we got to remember that it's just a process. And so it's not a set it and forget it. It's going to take some work. And and I'd like to just take an opportunity to mention, speaking of work, to invite you to work with me if you haven't already. So you can click the link down below this video and check out what I'm doing. And I would love to work with you. And what's different is that so many times I've been in different programs and I look for people to sponsor me, and I'm always looking for someone who can teach me. And I'm looking for somebody that will share their success. And I haven't ever found that. And what's amazing to me is that people will sponsor hundreds, if not thousands of people, and they think that's a victory. I would rather sponsor 50 people and help them grow their business and stay in the business and grow big businesses where they're helping people than I would be wanting to sponsor hundreds, if not thousands of people. So I would invite you to take a look at what I'm doing, and I want to invite you to come work with me. Now let's go take a look at the bonus of the bonus here, and let's look at the free funnel building app. So here we are at the free funnel building app. It's called Systeme. That's how I pronounce it, systeme.io. And you can get a free lifetime access to this platform. This is the most amazing customer relation management platform that I've come across. And the cool thing about it is it is free. I have a link down below for you to go and sign up and get your free account. And I am an affiliate. And I would also point out that if you choose to do this, you can become an affiliate also. So as you promote your network marketing business, and as you promote this funnel if you want, people will sign up and get their free account at Systeme, and you will get a commission. So the neat thing about affiliate marketing in a situation like this is it doesn't cost you anymore to get your free account, but I stand to gain a commission. And the same is true with you if you choose to become an affiliate. So here's what's really cool about Systeme, and I want to show you the pricing. So here's what you get on the free account, and then as you grow, you can start a subscription at $27, $47, and $97. The $97 a month is unlimited everything, and that is amazing to me. And so when we start out with the free one, it gives you plenty of room to grow. It is a little limited, but you get 2,000 contacts on your email list for free. You can send unlimited emails, so they're not, choking you down there. You can have 3 funnels with up to 15 funnel steps or pages. The cool thing about this is you can actually have a blog with unlimited blog posts. You can create a course and have unlimited students. So if you wanted to create some kind of a training, that could be a lead magnet. There's lots of possibilities here, but you can have unlimited students. You can have your own community, and with community members, unlimited file storage space, automation rules. You only get one workflow. And here's what's really cool is it has a Google Sheet integration. And you're only allowed to have 1 tag, so that's how you kind of split up your email list based on tags. But you can have 1 email campaign, so you're just going to be able to have 1 campaign where you're emailing out to your ideal customer. But again, it's enough to get you started. And it's got a lot of integrations here. It has a one-click upsell funnel or page for your funnel, an order bump, an A/B test, and it's just got all kinds of things that you can have your integration and Stripe account integrated. And there's just things that I don't even know what they are. It's so much for free. And the thing that's really cool about it, while you are limited a little bit in the free account, you get everything that every other account has except for the evergreen webinars. And you have to get to the $47 a month and up to be able to do that. So by the time you've got 10,000 people at $47 a month, there's no other platform out there that's going to allow you to have 10,000 people on your email list and email them unlimited for $47 a month. And this gives you the ability to create funnels and all the things I just went over. And the cool thing about it is that once you get to $47 a month, you can have 20 blogs, you can have 20 courses. I mean, it's endless what you can do with this. So I want to encourage you to click the link down below and get set up an account. And like I said, I'm an affiliate. I'm not bashful about saying that. And what's really cool is as you do this, it helps it become what they call a self-liquidating offer. So as people are signing up and you're getting a commission as they grow, then you can take that money and put it into your business and grow from there. So it just provides a lot of possibilities, and I think it's really a great platform. I've enjoyed working with it. It's very easy to work with, and that's all there is to it. So I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, post them down in the list below this video. Feel free to reach out to me, and I want to encourage you to click the link down below and explore the possibilities of working with me. I would really love to work with you and teach you and coach you and bring you along to setting up your funnel, and with the hope of experiencing some success in your network marketing business. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. I'll see you in the next video.